Good afternoon. This is Eric Lodney with the Friday, October 2nd Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up. The Dow in a pretty choppy session today closed down 22 points at 94.87. The Nasdaq closed at 20.48, down about 9. The Dow, if you're going to use that average, masked a lot more underlying weakness. As noted, the Nasdaq was down just under 0.5%. S&P was down just under 0.5%. And there were more than 3 stocks down for every 2 up today in the New York Stock Exchange. So there's a little bit of giving way underneath the broader numbers. Jobs report this morning was terrible. So we initially sold off, came all the way back following yesterday's sell-off, but just couldn't hold. As again, some of the generals, such as First Solar was closed up 6, Goldman Sachs managed to finish higher, Apple finished higher significantly, but a lot of the underlying stocks just didn't, and we just could not keep moving. So for Monday, you got to keep an eye on the breadth. I'm actually going to write a blog all about this on Monday morning. So keep your eyes out for that. And again, watch for the underlying tone here, because if a group of stocks cannot get going on Monday morning, we're going to sell right back off. In all likelihood, though, it'll be a somewhat slower day, very, very choppy, a little bit up, a little bit down, and just chopping around. A few things to look at for Monday morning. TLCR, just 2-day-old IPO, closed near a high. Rhino, R-I-N-O, it closed actually on a high after being recommended in the Cabot China newsletter. Yong, symbol Y-O-N-G, announced significant expansion in their 2010 to 2012 strategic plan on this morning. It closed near a high. On the negative side, Fold issued poor phase 2 trial results of its Gaucher disease drug after hours today. It's trading down about 2 points or so at 625 as I glance over. Cyclone SCLN, also poor phase 2 trial results of its RP101 pancreatic cancer drug. However, they insist their failure will not impact earnings. Investors are having a hard time believing it. It's down about 10% right now at 370. And finally, SMSC issued weak third quarter guidance on Thursday afternoon. It closed near a low today. On the earnings calendar, RPM is out before hours, and Mosaic, MOS, after hours. Wish all of you a good night and a very good weekend. And good luck trading on Monday as well.